Traveling is no doubt a fun-filled experience, but going through the airport procedures isn't one of them. Ask anyone who's been held back at security for any reason. It's stressful and time-consuming. If you have an upcoming trip soon, TSA PreCheck can reduce your precious time wasted in long airport queues. But hang on a minute, you can make this process even faster by watching this video. Hi there, I'm Dalma, your cool travel expert, and I'm going to rid your future travels of all of the unnecessary fuss you could face at airport security. We at iVisa not only make visa processing easier, but we have the best tips and hacks to level up your airport experience. If you follow these simple hacks, you'll be on your way to your destination in no time. These travel hacks are just what you need to further simplify your airport security experience. So let's get right to it. So what is TSA PreCheck? TSA PreCheck is a US government program that allows travelers who are deemed low risk to go through security at the airport before they even check in. It's designed to speed up the process, saving time and hassle before getting onto your plane. We all need that, don't we? You get to stand in shorter, faster moving lines and have to remove lesser clothing, which is so inconvenient and embarrassing at times. Not only that, but your scans are also not as severe. To get TSA PreCheck, you'll need to submit an application online, pay a fee, and get fingerprinted. After all the background check is done, you will receive a KTN or known traveler number. This number will be shown on your boarding pass when you buy an air ticket. And by using it, you will get access to the TSA PreCheck lane at the airport. For people who are just signing up for this life-saving facility, the first timer fee is $85, and for those who want to renew their PreCheck, it's $70. The one-time payment gets you sorted for the next 5 years, so it's a great option for frequent flyers. However, there are some issues with it too. The most common complaint is that the program doesn't cover all the airports. Currently, they are present at more than 200, so you can't use it at the ones that have a lot of private jets or are really busy during the holidays, and some airports just don't participate at all. But wherever they are, they really do get the passengers through with security procedures in a breeze. Now let's talk about TSA PreCheck Renewal. First thing you want to do is check your TSA PreCheck expiration date. It's better to renew your membership within 6 months of its expiration to avoid any inconveniences. Although members do start getting notified 6 months before the expiration date, but it's always good to be prepared beforehand. Keep checking your emails. Believe me, you don't want to head down to the airport just to realize you have an expired membership. Second thing you want to do is to make sure your information is up to date. If you have recently made any changes to your name, for example, address or other information that's contained in your TSA record, make sure that you update it by calling their helpline. Remember, you will not be able to use your TSA PreCheck benefits if the system isn't updated with your updated information. Number 3, remember you're only required to have a valid US passport or other US ID card when you renew your TSA PreCheck. If you have an expired card, don't use it. It will only invalidate your application. Number 4, after the pandemic lockdown, people are seriously traveling their hearts out right now. So if you want to avoid those long queues at the airport, get your TSA PreCheck now. The renewal process is also quite simple. Let me show you quickly. Head on to the TSA PreCheck website and select the Renew Now tab at the bottom of the landing page. Enter your current KTN number, date of birth, and your legal last name and hit Next. Now you will be taken through a number of pages confirming your address and passport information and asking some security questions. After submitting your application, you will get an approval notification in 3 to 5 days. Your KTN will remain the same and your new membership will start from the day your previous one expires. Now, if you're a frequent flyer, you might want to sign up for iVisa Plus. Our iVisa experts are always there to help you out with any problem or any questions you may have concerning traveling. If you're a frequent traveler or anyone who wants to get hassle-free sorting of travel documentation, then you can save time and money using iVisa Plus. The iVisa Plus yearly subscription offers unlimited standard travel documentation as well as discounts on faster processing options and 24/7 prioritized customer support for an affordable fee. Don't let the hectic travel documentation get in the way of having a relaxing vacation or a nice business trip. We have 2 plans that you can choose from. The individual yearly plan for $89.99 that benefits a single traveler and gives unlimited free standard processing and 24/7 access to prioritized customer support. We also have the family plan for just $134.99 that covers 5 travelers with free standard processing and access to 24/7 prioritized customer support. I'm sure you'll find your subscription really helpful because we do quick and efficient work on our clients' applications. You don't even need to worry about any visa processing. Not anymore, at least not for a full year. We know how painful getting a visa can be, and we're here to help. We take care of all the documentation and processes of getting a visa and help you get the job done faster and easier. We have 10 years of experience and have processed over 1 million documents with 1.2 million satisfied customers. So check out the link in the description to sign up for iVisa Plus. Trust us with your documentation and you will surely come back to us next time as well. Hope you found this video helpful. This is me, Dalma, your cool travel expert, signing off for now. Safe travels.